Well, let's go see how the PTM 16 little mini does. That's pretty steep. So we had a kudzu problem up here, as you can see, but it was bad over on the house. But these are about gone. Sprayed a little bit. Got rid of the old pump house. Got a pile here to burn out. We got the drain here. Then we have to continue on back through there and get rid of these kudzu vines. They're killing the trees out. And we're fixing to kill them out. And we'll have a big flat spot right here to build another little house like that one. And we got a water meter right there. But now we're on the top now. Gotta get rid of these and then do some tree trimming on out through there. That's my neighbor's camper there. But yeah, the little TPM 16 pilot controls. I've got a diverter valve coming. And let's see, we got a 16-inch bucket, a rake, a tilt bucket, hydraulic thumb, the diverter valves. But TPM Industrial, they've got a website. And to me, that's the best mini on the market. I got 7,000 in that one. Had to go to Dayton, Ohio out of Kentucky to get it, but yeah, it was worth the ride. I got to trim some trees here, so my neighbor, he parks here. He trimmed some of these trees a little bit so he can get in here. And trim some of these. And then get this hillside cut off. And it's fucking hot, man. I mean, friggin' hot, I'm sorry. See y'all.